Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to off dial pad tone in our vivo phone device. Guys, you want to off this dial pad tone, so as you can off it. And guys, now let's see how to off dial pad tone in our vivo phone device. In this video guys, I am going to show you how can you off it. So guys, now let's see how to off dial pad tone in our vivo phone device. So first of all guys, go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So guys, now let's start the video. Open your phone setting. Guys, click on your sound setting, scroll it, and guys, you can see your dial pad tone. So we will off from this right side, and guys, now you can see. So guys, now let's time to check how to off dial pad tone. So as you can see, your dial pad tone guys will not work in your vivo phone guys. Dial pad tone has off in our vivo phone device. So I hope friends you have understood how to off dial pad tone in our vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.